There was recently a leak on X that said the device's screen will not be completely flat. A user with the handle Rotor Super says that the screen's bezel will curve by 0.3 to 0.4 millimeters. This contradicts any claims that Samsung wants their next device to have a totally flat screen. There were reports that Samsung was planning to make the screen flatter, but these leaked pictures show that wasn't true. Also, the tip says that the top and bottom bezels are half the size of the S23 Ultras, but the left and right bezels are the same size as the old model. This makes it look like Samsung wants to make the Ultra model's screen less curved. Some people have had trouble with the curve of the screen on older models, mostly when they were using the S Pen. Some users have said that the pen can slip down the side of a curved screen while it is being used, which is not ideal. Samsung is aware of the problem and may have tried to fix it by making the curve on the S23 Ultra less steep. Since the first rumors that Apple would use titanium for the iPhone 15 Pro, there have been rumors that Samsung would do the same with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. A news story from the Korean newspaper Elix says that when it comes out next year, the frame case will be made of titanium instead of aluminum. The metal alloy is made by a Chinese company called Solin. The story says that about 15 million titanium cases are being made. This is how many S24 Ultra units the company thinks it will sell. The site also says that a low output could make the part cost 4 to 5 times what it does now, at $20. So it's not exactly a risk-free move. Samsung has plans to use titanium in more things, but they are still just ideas at this point. The company wants to grow the app based on reception. This could mean the Samsung Galaxy S25 range in the year 2025, or even future foldable phones, where being more durable would be a big plus if the weight could be kept down. The S24 Ultra is expected to get a new 50-megapixel telephoto lens, which is an improvement over the current 10-megapixel lens, as well as the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in every region. However, Samsung plans to use generative AI in its upcoming phones, which could be the most important change to the device. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.